since COVID-19 is ruling all around the world adversely, impacting industries and businesses to fall down on its knee. Social distancing and pandemic life will go on for a while, or months. Rather than getting frustrated, why don't you make extra money while lingering at home? You can earn money in the blink of an eye, with a little bit of scrupulous hard work. Here are the 3 ways to fill up your wallet with money without violating Standard Operating Procedures (SOP) of the coronavirus. 1. Freelancer. You don't need to possess astounding writing qualities or insane skills to be a freelancer, but to have an end in mind. What do I mean by the end in mind? It means that you should have a clear vision of your aim, and you should know what are your goals, regarding every single task provided by your client. 2. YouTube. To earn money through YouTube, you simply need to post videos consistently, which will help you to generate an audience. You really have to master your skill before making any content on YouTube. Make sure that the content you produce is targeting the audience and encouraging them to hit your subscribe button. 3. Online teaching. After the rise of coronavirus, the second major sector which got affected was education. More than 90% of schools are closed. Students are left hopeless amid of this dark atmosphere. Teaching online has emerged a new and effective way for students to learn. A. J. Giuliani quoted, "It's our job in education to free up the time of innovation. It's our job to open their minds to new ideas. It's our job to prepare for the present and future possibilities." Giuliani, 2014. Which is the best example for us that no matter what situation we are facing, we have to grab the sword of knowledge tightly. I've mentioned the 3 most popular ways people choose to make money, which is the peak of a mountain while relaxing on their comfortable sofa. Making money online is less time-consuming, and more effective. This pandemic is rising day by day, creating dilemmas all around the world, whereas it's helping people to cash up their pockets with great richness through online work with zero investment. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much.